In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loop countdown timer in your GoHighLevel funnels. We'll set up a recurring timer that automatically resets, then embed it into your funnel page. Start by signing in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. From the left-hand menu, head to Marketing. Inside Marketing, open Countdown Timers. This is where all your timers live and where you can create new ones. Click New to start a fresh timer. You'll see a gallery of templates. Pick the style that best matches your funnel's design. Don't stress about the colors or fonts now. You can fine-tune the look within the template later. When you're happy with your choice, continue with that template. Next, choose the timer type. Because we want a loop, select Recurring. A recurring timer is great for evergreen offers because it restarts on a schedule you define, creating consistent urgency without expiring permanently. Review the default settings that appear with the template, make any simple adjustments you need, then save. Saving locks in the configuration and generates the embed code we'll use in the funnel. With the timer saved, click Copy Code, then confirm by clicking Copy. This places the small snippet you need on your clipboard, so you don't have to retype anything later. Now let's place the timer in your funnel. Go to Sites from the left menu, open your Funnels area, and select the funnel where you want the timer to appear. Open the step you want to edit and launch the page editor. Inside the editor, add a code element to the page. Click and drag that code block where you want the countdown to sit. Above the fold, for maximum visibility often works best. Click the small gear icon on the element to access its settings, then open the code editor. Paste the code you copied earlier into the editor's field. Make sure you're pasting the entire snippet without changes. When it looks good, save your changes. That's it. The looping countdown timer is now embedded in your GoHighLevel funnel. After saving, preview the page to confirm the timer is visible and ticking, and give it a quick check on mobile for spacing.